The rambutan orchard awakens with the sunrise as a new harvest day begins. Rows of ripe rambutan trees stretch across the orchard under the tropical morning light. The first clusters of rambutan reveal a promising harvest waiting among the branches. Healthy leaves help nourish every rambutan until it reaches peak ripeness. The deep red color shows these rambutans are nearly ready for harvest. The first rambutan of the day is carefully harvested at perfect ripeness. A well-prepared basket helps keep freshly harvested rambutan in excellent condition. With the orchard ready and the basket prepared, the rambutan harvest can begin. Premium rambutan clusters are selected for their color, size, and overall quality. Freshly harvested rambutan carries a delicate tropical aroma straight from the tree. The richest red rambutans are carefully chosen at the peak of ripeness. Different areas of the orchard offer unique clusters of mature rambutan fruit. Hidden among the branches, an exceptional rambutan cluster rewards careful observation. Every rambutan displays remarkable texture shaped by months of tropical growth. The first taste reveals the sweet and refreshing flavor of fresh rambutan. The naturally sweet flavor confirms that the rambutan harvest has reached perfection. With quality confirmed, the main rambutan harvest begins across the orchard. Each freshly picked rambutan is carefully collected to preserve its quality. The basket gradually fills with colorful rambutan gathered throughout the morning. Moving methodically through each row ensures every ripe rambutan is harvested at the right time. Some of the finest rambutan clusters grow high among the sunlit branches. Careful harvesting protects both the fruit and the health of the tree. The most beautiful rambutan clusters are carefully arranged to maintain their freshness. By mid-morning, the rambutan harvest has already become impressively abundant. The harvest continues as new sections of the orchard reveal even more ripe rambutan. As the day progresses, the rambutan harvest gains a steady and efficient rhythm. From above, the orchard reveals thousands of ripe rambutan ready for collection. The growing harvest makes every basket noticeably heavier with ripe rambutan. The abundance of ripe rambutan quickly fills every available basket. Even after hours of harvesting, hidden clusters of rambutan continue to appear. The center of the orchard produces some of the most abundant rambutan clusters of the season. Sunlight reveals the remarkable color and quality of perfectly ripe rambutan. Each journey through the orchard uncovers more opportunities to harvest ripe rambutan. The growing collection of rambutan reflects a productive and rewarding harvest day. By midday, the rambutan orchard showcases the full richness of its harvest season. The final baskets of rambutan are gathered before the fruit preparation begins. Each rambutan is sorted carefully to highlight the finest fruit from the harvest. Cleaning the rambutan clusters prepares them for washing and presentation. Cool water refreshes the rambutan and enhances its natural beauty. Freshly cleaned rambutan is now ready for the next stage of preparation. The vibrant shell opens easily to reveal the sweet rambutan hidden inside. Fresh rambutan flesh shines with natural sweetness and refreshing juiciness. Simple preparation allows the natural flavor of rambutan to remain the focus. The delicate texture of rambutan highlights its naturally refreshing character. After hours of harvesting, fresh rambutan provides a wonderfully refreshing reward. The natural sweetness of rambutan makes every bite refreshing and satisfying. Each rambutan offers the same fresh flavor that defines the orchard harvest. A close look reveals the tender texture and juiciness of ripe rambutan. The harvest table showcases the abundance and beauty of freshly picked rambutan. A peaceful break allows the harvester to appreciate the rewards of the rambutan season. The final bite of rambutan leaves a lasting impression of tropical sweetness. Looking across the harvest reveals the success of a productive rambutan season. Life in the rambutan orchard continues peacefully after the harvest work is done. The harvested rambutan is carefully transported from the orchard to the farm shelter. A quiet moment beneath the trees offers time to appreciate the beauty of the rambutan orchard. The sprawling rambutan orchard reflects months of careful cultivation and patience. Golden evening light transforms the rambutan orchard into a peaceful tropical landscape. Harvest season brings people together to celebrate the abundance of fresh rambutan.
Yes, the quality is excellent. We worked hard for this.
The rambutan orchard supports a vibrant ecosystem beyond the harvest itself. As evening approaches, the rambutan orchard glows with the rewards of the day. As the sun begins to set, the rambutan harvest tells a story of patience and care. The overflowing baskets showcase the remarkable success of the rambutan season. Every harvested rambutan represents the rewards of dedication and hard work. Sharing fresh rambutan is one of the most rewarding traditions of harvest season. Golden hour rambutan tastes even sweeter after a successful day in the orchard. The setting sun bathes the rambutan orchard in a final display of tropical beauty. A day of harvesting ends with baskets full of fresh rambutan and lasting memories. As the drone rises above the orchard, the rambutan harvest concludes with a celebration of nature's abundance.